So hi guys, welcome to MIKAY TV. Today we're here at my house and the background of my library, and today it's my first slime video. First we have the Elmer slime starter kit, a jar, or you can use a cup maybe. Here's a spatula or a spoon that you can use there, and a bucket or a bowl. So today my mom is gonna just help me a little bit because she wants me to have fun because my first time making slime and using slime. So today we are starting with today in our video we're gonna start with seeing what's inside. Is it Mom, you can pass me the scissors. Never mind. Okay. So in here we have two magical liquid. Wait, I can't get the other one out. Mommy, I think my hand's gonna be stuck in there. And two magical liquids. And here we have two clear washable glue. And last but not least, for the color, we have plastic glitter glue, pencils like to add some color. Nobody just wants to have a plain, just silly, clear glue, but some of them do. And that's all of the things inside of the boxes. So all parents, for guidance, this is no worry. This is like kid friendly, non-toxic. So your kids can do this at any time or any point. So first, I think we need to read the rules. Okay, so first, pour out an entire bottle. But for me, I'm just too scared. It's my first time, so I'm just gonna do like a little or half the bottle. I'm doing half the bottle of the glue, and also then I'm going to add as much as I want of glitter glue. Then I'm going to like stir it around, and then I'll put like this one, like maybe half or maybe all, I don't know, I forgot the amount that my mom said. And then we keep on mixing, stretched out, and then become slime. So first I'm going to pour out a little of this. I'm becoming too nervous. And which storage? This one or this one? This one?
The other one.
This one?
Storage, it's the jar.
Okay, so this one, the jar is for storage. This one is for mixing. And I need some help. It's okay. So now we're gonna pour just a little. I'm quite nervous. So I'm gonna pour. Ooh. I think that's enough. That's enough. Oh, some came on me. So now we're done with that. Now we have to put a glitter glue. See, this is how much I just put. I'm just quite too nervous for everything. So, wait, I need some guidance here. Mommy, can you open? And then in that part, you're gonna find a video called technical difficulties. Okay, okay, Mommy. Okay, so continue. My mom just opened the glitter glue one, and we have red, yellow, or kind of gold, green, blue, and silver, or maybe it's just like gray. Maybe I would like to choose blue because it's my favorite color and my sports team in the school. So now I'm gonna add, I don't want it to be too glittery because like I'm quite allergic to dust, and glitter is just like a little kind of dust. Okay, so I'm gonna put some. This is like the one that I did in preschool. I think that's enough. I don't know why I'm keep on stressing with the slime thing, but I know I'm just quite crazy here. Oh, I need help. So guys, I just finished putting the glue, like the glitter glue, and this is what I've done already. So let's check the rules again. Now we have to mix it with a spatula or spoon. I'm gonna try. Okay, so it says we need to wait until those colors coming up. So I think I want to put a little more. It's like a little, it looks green in this bowl. So I'm gonna put a little. So now I added some more, and I'm gonna keep on mixing until the shade that I want. And now this is what I'm talking about. So let me keep on mixing. And now we need to add activator. I'm quite nervous. Half the bottle or all?
Half. How much glue did you put?
Less than half.
Okay.
Now when it's a second, this is enough. Okay, mix. Oh, I could see it transforming already. Yeah. I'm quite excited.
Can you show me?
See? It's becoming like a blob.
Show me
This is how my glue looks like. You know, if it's for you it seems quite white, but for me it's blue. So I think we need to add a little more activator. It's not transforming fully. I think that's enough. Let's see. Okay. So I'm done, and I need to keep on mixing until it's done. I just want to touch it. Oh my goodness, it's very sticky and wet. Mommy, did I add a lot? Okay, it's transforming a little more. So can I add a little more glue?
Yes.
So I'm gonna add a little more glue. It's not that much sticky. So wait, I'm gonna try this one. Okay. So are you done? Is it pause? Okay, so I'm gonna just pour a little more. I think that's enough. Wait, I did over than half.
It's okay.
I still have many though. And now pour. Now mix. Ooh. Later I'm going to get it out. Oh, it looks quite a bit stringy, see? It's very stringy. Okay. it's too heavy. I'm gonna show you when it's already done, and it's almost being transformed, and it's very sticky and icky and wicky. I have no idea why I'm saying that. Okay, I think I want to put it down on the table. So I'm gonna clear this. So guys, you can add a little more. It's not that much transforming. So 2 tiny drops. Oh, I think that's enough. I think I've done over than a half now. It's half done and a tiny quarter. So let's mix again. It's transforming. Oh, it's turning like blue. Okay, I want to try to scoop it out. Ah! Wait, I'm gonna try. So now guys, I'm trying to get it out. It's very slimy and sticky. I need my mom to help me just for a second. Oh my God. It's very cold. If this gets stuck to my hand and I have to wash it off, I'm gonna be very sad. So let's try. Ooh. Oh my God, it's sticking to my hand. Wow. This one is also almost sticky as sticky glue. Ah. So I'm gonna satisfying. Ah. The noise is very satisfying. Okay, sweet. I'm gonna just pull it out. So guys, the slime is absolutely sticky. I can't even get it off, and I'm gonna show you how stretchy it is. See? my goodness, it's touching my dress. I think my mom's gonna be a little upset when it ruins my dress because it's very expensive. And we can't go out for new dresses because of the virus. So let's scoop up the things that's fallen out. Okay. And then I'm gonna try to rub it off. Mommy, can you help? It's getting everywhere. Oh, now this one it's white, but you can see still the blue. Okay, so I have to mix, round, so I can do this thing. Ooh, it's very sticky. Ooh, I'm very scared. And I'm trying to drop it to the floor. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna grab every single bit. Or maybe not every, because some of them are too tiny to grab. It's really satisfying, right? Now when you finish playing, now it's actually not that sticky. Put it in a jar so it can be nice and tidy. Oh no, it's becoming sticky again. Okay. So when you're done, put it in a jar so it wouldn't be dry but just clean. So bye guys, smash the like button, click the notification bell, and hit the subscribe button so we can reach like 1 million views, or like, you know, more than 1 million. So look out for other slime videos from us so you can see if it's a failure or a victory. Goodbye guys.